So I came across a set of TRD headers. This was one of 2 left in the country. These are discontinued and can't get them anywhere. So this is specifically for the T100. That part number, the 000 or 004, is for the T100. I don't know what the difference is for Forerunners and everything, but these are normally, I think, $1,300. But I got this for, I think, $550, something crazy like that. $600, somewhere around there. It doesn't come with the head to flange gaskets. Apparently they don't make those anymore. But I guess you either reuse the originals, or there is a set you can buy. I don't remember where it is, but someone has a set. It's like $30. But it comes with everything else. Gaskets here, washers, springs, nuts, bolts, all that stuff. So this actually goes right to the cat if you have one. And I mean, it's a crazy deal for the price. It's just all high quality stuff. But yeah, this goes to the cat, and then this comes up. It eliminates the flange and the elbow stock one, and then these 2 pipes here attach to, I'm guessing, the ends of those. So reason why I got it, because obviously you just can't find these anymore, ever, anywhere. And like I mentioned in earlier videos, with the ECU conversion, I'm just kind of sort of leaning towards the supercharger installation. Been doing research and finding out what the best option is for that. And I mean, this is all of it. You know, if you're gonna do any kind of performance upgrades, these are you know, you get the TRD headers, the TRD supercharger, and that's it. I mean, you've got everything that they made for the truck, basically. So yeah, if you can find one of these used, I don't know what the gains are, but people have reported that it does improve horsepower and torque and pull and all that, and seat of the pants feel. I got them primarily because, as you saw in some of the older videos, the manifolds are just completely rusted, and you know, at some point, if I was going to change them out, I would either need to find rust-free stock manifolds, or, ta-da, you know, while you're in there, you might as well upgrade to something like this. So at some point I'll put these on. I know I'm going to have to weld another flange and a pipe here because there's no cat on the truck. Whoever did the exhaust just kind of cobbled something together. But other than that, pretty happy. And I don't know, that's about it for now. Any questions, just post them below.